So we're going to switch it up a bit now. We're going to have an interactive workshop. You're going to be able to get up, not be in your seat for much longer. We've got the fantastic Gen Unity who are going to deliver this workshop for you. We saw them deliver something to Blue Cross Blue Shield, and we thought they'd be perfect for you guys this afternoon. So, without further ado, I have the pleasure of inviting Gina to the stage, who's going to be your facilitator extraordinaire, along with her team today. Gina.
What is up, everybody? I need to hear some noise. Like, I know it's 3:15. I know it's been a lot of listening. It's been a lot of, I can imagine you're probably in your thoughts. You're thinking about all the content that's been thrown at you. So I want to give us an opportunity to sync up for just a second. I want us to take 3 collective deep breaths. We're just trying to get into our body, right? So let's breathe in. And let's breathe out. Keep going, but don't pass out. Let's do it again. Breathe in. And breathe out. All right. One more. Welcome back. I want to make sure before we get started that we understand that this is our space. So if that means that you need to get up, go get a glass of water or some coffee, or you need to take off your blazer because it's a hot day, that's what you got to do for yourself. Just want to make sure people are taking care of themselves. Cool? All right, cool. Oh, that's me. Nobody told me. Oh, great. So welcome to Applying New Tools to Make Health Equity a Reality. I do want to preface this workshop by saying that this is really a workshop. I am not here to lecture. I am here to create a space for all of us to have a conversation. I'm going to try to move as far as I can. It feels like a football field in here, but we're going to make it happen. Great. So who am I? I'm Gina Morales Taveras, but just call me Gina. I am a program director at Gen Unity, and I also do a lot of facilitation work through Rogers Leads, but most importantly, I'm very proud to be Dominican American. And I'm from Lawrence, Mass. Anybody else from Lawrence? No, all right, just me. But it's really cool, because I'm really proud of where I come from and who I am, and Lawrence is one of those cities that just has its own little flavor. Cool, so expectations before we get started into this workshop. We're here to really explore what challenges get in the way of reaching health equity and learn more about how we can draw from diverse perspectives to make healthcare work for all of us. With that being said, let's jump into some dialogue norms. This is just going to serve as some groundwork for us to have some of the conversations that we're going to be participating in today. Who can read the first one? Thank you. Use I statements, inquiry, not advocacy. I don't speak for everybody that has curly hair. I just speak for myself, right? And yes, it takes 3 hours to do my hair, right? That's just me, but for other people, it takes whatever it takes. So we're gonna make sure that as we're talking from our own perspective, our own experiences. Who else can read the second one? Practice both and thinking, embrace the paradox, right? Here in the city of Boston, it's hot today, right? It could be that in Florida, it's raining and it's not that hot. And it is 3:18, right? Those two realities exist in the same space. So let's embrace the fact that there are people in this space that may think